For your safety and the one of others, AMS has developed a reversing radar that can be used with or without a video system. This product is composed of 3 elements: a control box, a detector, an audible warning. The control box centralizes these different elements: the sound detector, the alarm, the screen, and the camera, in a version with video system, are connected to it. To use this product, the control box, the audible warning, and the monitor must be installed in the vehicle cabin. The camera and detector should be placed at the rear of the machine. Once installed, our system provides you with visual and audible indications as soon as an obstacle enters the detection area. This area is visible directly from your screen and is divided into 5 ranges going from red to green, depending on the proximity to your machine. Red being the detection range closest to your vehicle and green being the farthest. In addition to this visual warning, an audible warning will also help you. The closer the obstacle approaches your vehicle, the more the audible warning will intensify in your cabin. Our IP69K radar system has a customizable detection zone up to 20 meters maximum via the MS Radar application. Take the road with peace of mind. Your safety is our priority.